Nature is powerful. Its processes are effective. The search for ecological alternatives motivates mankind to think differently. Nature is more valuable than ever. With nature as our role model, we are looking for sustainable solutions. We try to understand processes of regeneration and use the power of microorganisms. They are the basis of all life on Earth. 70% of life on Earth are microorganisms. They are part of us humans, the animals. They live in soils, on plants, and in rivers and waterways. They produce materials important for life and improve the environment they live in. Our beneficial microorganisms regenerate the microbial environment and outcompete pathogen bacteria. They're being helpful wherever microorganisms live, accelerate the breakdown of organic matter, and stop putrefaction and odor. They help from the very large to the very small. Behaving sustainably and acting economically is our modern way of life. With the courage to pursue our goals and do things like we would do them tomorrow. That's what the team of Multicraft works on. With decades of experience and the ambition to achieve more. Based in Austria, in the middle of nature, where innovative products are developed and produced for the world. These beneficial microorganisms are used in a variety of different situations throughout our daily life. They are part of our daily life. In collaboration with our customers, we are constantly developing our products further to reach the goal of breaking free of antibiotics and residues and producing safe food for everyone. Multicraft. Naturally effective, powerful, precious. We take responsibility into our own hands.